Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
It's amazing how a simple touch of a button can stir the soul, create excitement, and bring a smile to your face. Here's that button. Go ahead and press it. You've waited long enough. The 2020 Delano from Thor Motor Coach is ready to add excitement to your life. Because you have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3-liter V6 with 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque under the hood, you have the power you need to take you up those steep, winding roads through the snow-capped mountains. And when you head back down to take a walk in your favorite spot, the active braking assist, distance regulator, attention assist, and traffic sign assist ensure a safe ride. With the voice-activated infotainment center, simply talk to the 10.25-inch multimedia system with smartphone integration and let Mercedes know what you want to do. Choose from satellite radio, make a call, or simply speak your destination to the navigation system, and just like that, you can wind up here. The captain's chair swivel for extra seating options. They have memory positioning and are heated, which is great when sitting here or when you swing them around for a drive. Take a look at that steering wheel. These controls work like a smartphone. Just swipe across the pad and press to check way more than your fuel gauge. This is your heads-up display that keeps you informed of all your Delano vitals. You have a backup camera monitor that is easy to see and always on, which is a great way to keep an eye on whatever you may have attached to the 5,000-pound hitch. You have all the basics too, like climate control, cup holders, and cubbies for all your gear. The Delano has push-button start and keyless entry. It even reminds you to take your keys with you when you shift into park and set up camp. Each floor plan in the Delano is unique with features that set it apart, but all have the same goal: to keep you comfortable and to keep you happy. You can opt for a large dream dinette with footrest. This place is perfectly suited for spending time together. If you like, you can choose a floor plan with theater seating. Simply lean back, kick your feet up, and now you are ready for the home theater experience on your TV. How about adding a sofa to the mix? This is a great spot to relax and even catch up online. With the WineGuard Connect 4G hotspot, setting up your own safe, secure internet connection to stay in touch while you're away is easy. The WineGuard Connect 2.0 is a Wi-Fi extender. It's a 4G hotspot, a TV and FM radio antenna, and it runs with the Thor Motor Coach app so you can stay up to date on all your devices. There's more to all these seating options the Delano likes to show off, as some of them easily convert into a place to sleep. Flip a lever on the dinette, and now you have a cozy bed. In the case of the queen-size Murphy bed, touch a button, and now you are prepped for a great night's sleep. On other floor plans, you have either a flip-up queen or flip-up full-size bed with cushioned seating underneath. Every Delano has this large overhead bunk with skylight with interior power shade. You'll make use of the little touches throughout, such as the USB charging ports up front with the cargo net and USB charging ports built into the nightstands. From the beautiful high-gloss Euro-style cabinets above, all the way back to the closets, you'll find a place to hold everything you need for your getaway. There's even storage under the bed. The Delano offers different kitchen layouts depending on your floor plan. All have the same useful features you are going to love. The sink cover for the large stainless steel sink makes a great spot to set your cookbook. And the flip-up countertop extension gives you the extra room you need. All floor plans offer a dual burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, and double door fridge. Checking out the bathrooms, everything you could want is here. Your sink, medicine cabinet, and shower with skylight and power vent, which you can open using Rapid Camp Plus. Control and monitor all the features of your Delano with Rapid Camp Plus. Check your power. Are you running off 30 amp shore power or the optional diesel generator? You also have a 100-watt entertainment inverter. Check the tank levels, turn on lights, and do it all from the full-color touchscreen or from the mobile app. Underneath the touchscreen, you have the app-enabled Bluetooth Coach radio system, so go ahead and stream your favorite playlist. Time to take a walk around the outside of the Delano. You can cruise around with HD Max or the optional full body paint, which is like a mirror for your favorite background. You'll appreciate spending time under the 2-stage armless awning with LED lighting. There is a lot packed onto that one-piece TPO roof, your 100-watt solar charging system, and 15,000 BTU low-profile AC unit with optional heat pump. The illuminated rotocast storage base can easily swallow the gear you need to bring with you. For example, a grill to hook up to your exterior propane connection, or bring along exactly what you need to create the perfect setting. Because this is the excitement you've been waiting for. This is the 2020 Delano from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Delano floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?